When it comes to woodworking, a Dremel rotary tool can be one of the most versatile and valuable tools in your workshop. But to unlock its full potential, it's essential to have the right accessories. The best Dremel accessories for woodworking allow you to sand, carve, cut, shape, polish, and engrave with exceptional precision, making it possible to take on both detailed and large-scale projects with ease. One of the most popular and indispensable Dremel accessories for woodworking is the sanding drum. Available in various grits, sanding drums are perfect for smoothing rough edges, shaping curves, or removing small amounts of material from your wooden workpiece. They're especially useful for finishing intricate areas that are difficult to reach with traditional sandpaper. For even more control, the flap wheel sanding accessory offers a flexible, layered design that conforms to irregular shapes and contours, ensuring an even, polished finish. Engraving and carving bits are another must-have for woodworkers using a Dremel. High-speed cutters, such as the 107 or 191 carving bits, are ideal for creating detailed designs, personalizing wooden items, or adding decorative touches to your projects. For even finer, more delicate work, diamond point or tungsten carbide bits offer superior durability and can tackle hardwoods with ease. These accessories allow you to add intricate patterns, monograms, or ornate details to furniture, signs, and crafts. Cutting wheels and discs are incredibly useful when you need to cut through wood, plywood, or even laminate. The Dremel EZ Lock wood cutting wheel makes quick, straight cuts in a variety of wooden materials and is known for its ease of use and durability. Spiral cutting bits, like the Dremel 561, are perfect for freehand work, such as making plunge cuts or following curved patterns. These accessories are especially handy for tasks like cutting openings in cabinets or shaping wood for inlays. Routing attachments can transform your Dremel into a miniature router, enabling you to create edges, grooves, and decorative profiles. The Dremel Plunge router attachment, combined with routing bits, is excellent for inlay work, sign making, or edging small projects where a full-sized router would be cumbersome. This attachment offers precise depth control and allows for intricate routing tasks that require a steady hand and close attention to detail. Polishing and buffing accessories are essential for achieving a smooth, professional finish on wooden surfaces. Felt polishing wheels, combined with a suitable polishing compound, can bring out the natural luster of your wood, highlighting the grain and providing a protective sheen. These accessories are perfect for restoring antique furniture, polishing turned objects, or adding the final touch to handcrafted boxes and frames. For those looking to maximize the versatility of their Dremel, the multi-vise or flex shaft attachments are invaluable. The flex shaft offers enhanced control and maneuverability, making it easier to work on detailed projects for extended periods without fatigue. Meanwhile, the multi-vise acts as a secure clamp and tool holder, stabilizing your workpiece and freeing up both hands for precision work. Lastly, dust extraction and control accessories, such as the Dremel Detailer's grip attachment or the Dremel dust blower, help keep your workspace clean and your line of sight clear. This is particularly important when sanding, carving, or roting, as fine wood dust can obscure your work and impact the quality of your finished project. In summary, the best Dremel accessories for woodworking include sanding drums and flap wheels for smoothing, engraving, and carving bits for detail work, cutting wheels and spiral bits for shaping, routing attachments for edge work, polishing wheels for finishing, and add-ons like the flex shaft and multi-vise for enhanced control. With the right combination, your Dremel becomes a powerful ally in any woodworking project, large or small, allowing you to work with precision, creativity, and confidence.